I am in a baking mood today, so we are going to bake. If there is one dessert you're going to make this holiday season, let it be this Cardamom-Cognac Apple Cake. Trust me when I say it is one of the most delicious, exquisite cakes that I have ever tasted. It's by Athena Calderon from her Beautiful cookbook, and it truly is beautiful. Everything she cooks and designs is beautiful. I love this cake. My family loves this cake. I've been craving it for a few weeks now, and you know, it's that cozy baking season, so I thought I would kick it off with this cake. I think what makes this just the perfect holiday dessert is the cardamom. Cardamom to me is just one of those delicious, cozy spices, and I usually add a little more than what the recipe calls for. And the recipe is a pretty big cake, but because it's just me and Danny, I'm going to make a smaller version of it. So hopefully I can get the measurements right so that it turns out good. So I will leave the link to this recipe in my description box for you guys to check it out and try it out, because trust me, it's so good and I think you guys are going to love it. So try it out.
And it stopped recording, so it didn't show when I poured in the granulated sugar. I did brandy instead of cognac because I don't have cognac. And then what else? Vanilla extract. Okay, let's proceed. This is just enough for this tiny cast iron. It smells like right. It's just enough. Now I use bananas. We have about an hour until the cake is done. So in the meantime, I made myself a little iced maple latte. So good. And I'm curling up on the couch here with my laptop because I'm working on a little mood board for the month of November. November is going to be a fun month. I'm going to be home in Tampa for about a week, and I'm going to be spending time with my family. I'm going to see friends. So the week before Thanksgiving, we're doing like a little cousin reunion. We're calling it Cousinsgiving, and it's just gonna be so much fun. We did it last year, and it was, oh gosh, I laugh the most when I'm with them. They're just the funniest people ever. So we have that little gathering, and then the week of Thanksgiving, we're heading to the mountains for our annual cabin trip, and I am just so freaking excited for that. All that to say, I'm making a mood board because I just want to get a little inspired for some of these moments. Not that I need a mood board for that, but it's fun, it's creative, and it does get me excited for, you know, those moments to come next month. And so I have a little bit of like cabin stuff in there, tablescapes, you know, cozy November things. And so yeah, let me show you. I do want to add a few more things to it. I don't know. So anyway, it's like a little animated mood board, and then it ends like that. I love how these letters turned out. So let me slow it down a bit. I have here a picture of a cute little cabin, because again, we're going to be at the cabin next month. And then I have some holiday decor, because Christmas is right around the corner, and because I'm not going to be home for a lot of November, I want to get a head start on that in the next week or so. And then a fire pit, because I see lots of that next month. Lots of cooking and baking. And then I have a picture here of the beach, because I do live in Florida and we don't have a lot of, you know, that fall scenery, but we do have a lot of beaches. And I think the beach during the fall time is just as beautiful. And I really love that picture. And then here, a little photo of, you know, gatherings, entertaining, and then some fashion. Can't go wrong with an oversized sweater. And then, yeah, that's all I have. But again, I might add some more to it, but I love it. Okay, I'm gonna dust some powdered sugar over it. Ooh. Here it is. The powdered sugar has melted a bit, and the cast iron isn't hot anymore. I need to dive in. I need a cake knife. All right, taste test. That's just freaking gorgeous. It's a very thin cake. Oh my god, that cardamom. So good. It actually came out really good for not using the original measurements. I ended up cutting all of the measurements in half. I was worried that it wasn't gonna taste the same just because, I don't know. I think I need another one. Again, the link to that recipe is in my description box. Check it out, try it for yourself. I think you're gonna love it. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. I would love if you would stick around. I will see you in my next video.